Hi everyone. Back pain is normally very common in the Western world, so about 80% of the population will have back pain at some point in their lives, but it's particularly common at the moment because of all the people working from home. So I want to give you some quick tips today that you can use immediately to help reduce any back pain that you might be experiencing due to this working from home situation. And for a lot of people, I'll just get my trusty spine here, but for a lot of people, their low back pain is related to stiffness in the upper back. It's not going to be the only reason, but it's going to be a big factor for a lot of people. And the upper back stiffens when we sit down for a very long time, or when we sit or stand in slightly awkward, slightly wrong positions. So the best way to get rid of this stiffness are some of the exercises that I'll show you, and that will then help to reduce the back pain that you're having.